What materials do I need to build a DIY free wheelchair ramp?
Hello, DIY enthusiasts. Today, we are going to discuss something extremely useful and community supportive: building your own wheelchair ramp. It's an empowering project, and it's easier than you might think. In this video, we'll go through all the materials you'll need to create a safe, durable, and accessible wheelchair ramp.
What will I need for the foundation?
For the ramp's foundation, which will provide the necessary stability for the structure, you will need the following. 1. Concrete mix. This is needed to create a solid base where the ramp will start and end. The quantity will depend on the size of your ramp. 2. Concrete form tubes. Optional. If your ramp design includes posts, you'll need these to create a stable base for them. 3. Rebar or metal mesh. Optional. These are used to reinforce the concrete and make it stronger.
What do I need for the ramp itself?
To build the body of the ramp, the following materials are required. 1. Pressure-treated wood. This type of wood resists decay and pests. You'll need both 2x4s and 4x4s. The 4x4s will serve as the posts, while the 2x4s will be used for the ramp and landing frame. 2. Plywood sheets. You'll need sheets of plywood for the ramp and landing surface. Make sure the sheets are thick enough to hold the anticipated weight. 3. Galvanized or stainless steel screws. These will be used to fasten the wooden parts together. Ensure they are suitable for use with pressure-treated wood to avoid corrosion. 4. Handrails. These are essential for safety. You can purchase pre-made handrails or construct your own.
What about safety features?
For safety, you will need 1. Anti-slip treads or non-slip paint. This will help prevent accidents on the ramp, especially in wet conditions. 2. Wheelchair ramp edge protection. This can be added to the sides of the ramp to prevent accidental rolling off the edge. It could be additional strips of wood or a special product made for this purpose.
Are any tools required?
To build a DIY wheelchair ramp, you will need several common tools. 1. Circular saw. This will be used to cut the wood. 2. Drill. You'll need this to drive the screws into the wood. 3. Level. This tool will help you ensure your ramp is level and sloped correctly. 4. Concrete mixer. Optional. If you're making a lot of concrete for a large ramp, this could save you a lot of time and effort. And that wraps up our list of materials for building a wheelchair ramp. It's a rewarding project that can make a huge difference for someone in your community. Remember, preparation is key. Plan your ramp carefully, gather all the necessary materials in advance, and remember to prioritize safety in your design and during construction. Happy building!